Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Shuffle on Spotify, step by step. Let's get started. On your phone, begin by opening the Spotify app. Take a moment to find the familiar green icon with the three curved lines on your home screen or in your app drawer. Then tap it once. After it opens, you should see the main Spotify screen with tabs like Home, Search, and your library along the bottom. If the app asks you to sign in, make sure you are logged into the account where you usually listen because Shuffle works only on the music in the account you are using. Now, open a playlist, album, or artist page that you want to shuffle. You can tap your library to pick one of your saved playlists or albums, or use the search tab if that is easier. When you tap the playlist, album, or artist, the screen will change to show the cover art at the top and a list of songs underneath. A common mistake here is to stay on the home screen and tap a single song tile, which only opens that song, not the full list you want to shuffle. Once you see the playlist, album, or artist page, look for the shuffle option and tap it. On many phones, you will see a button that says Shuffle Play near the top, or you will see a small crossed arrows icon that you can tap. When you tap Shuffle, Spotify will start mixing the order of the songs so they do not play in a straight list. If it does not react, check that you actually tap the shuffle control and not the regular play button beside it. After that, check the shuffle icon to make sure it is turned on. When shuffle is active, the little crossed arrows icon will be highlighted, usually in a brighter color like green. If the icon looks faded or matches the background, that means shuffle is off and songs will play in normal order. One handy thing to know is that you can tap the same icon again at any time to turn shuffle off, and the highlight will disappear as confirmation. With Shuffle turned on, start playing your music so you can hear the difference. Tap any song in the list or tap the main play button, and playback will begin using the shuffled order. You should notice that the next song is not simply the one right under it in the list. If you skip forward using the next button, Spotify will keep jumping to another random track from the same playlist, album, or artist. At this point, you can also open the Now Playing screen and use the Shuffle button there. While a song is playing, tap on the bar at the bottom that shows the current track name to open the full Now Playing view. Here you will see large album art, along with controls for play, pause, next, and previous. The Shuffle button is the crossed arrows icon in this row, and you can tap it here to turn Shuffle on or off without leaving the song screen. Now let us move over to a computer and turn on Shuffle in the Spotify app on your PC. Open the Spotify program on your desktop or laptop using the shortcut on your desktop or the Start menu if you are on Windows. When it opens, you should see your playlists on the left, your main content in the center, and the playback controls along the bottom. Make sure you are signed into the correct account here as well, so your playlists match what you expect. Once the app is open, click your playlist or album on the left so that its page appears. You will see the artwork, the title, and then the list of songs in the main area. Clicking the playlist name itself is important because Shuffle works based on the current playlist or album page you have selected. If you only click a single song from the search results, Shuffle will not have a full playlist context to move through. Next up, look down near the playback controls at the very bottom and click the Shuffle button. The Shuffle icon again looks like two crossed arrows and sits near the play and skip buttons. One easy mistake is to confuse it with the repeat button, which usually looks like a looped arrow, so check the shape before you click. When you click the correct icon, Spotify will begin shuffling the order of tracks that play from your chosen playlist or album. After you click it, confirm Shuffle is on by checking that the icon is highlighted. On the desktop app, it often turns green or becomes brighter when active. If it still looks plain or gray, click it once more until the color changes, which means Shuffle is now enabled. You can click the same button again at any time to turn Shuffle off and return to the normal song order, and the highlight will disappear when you do. One more thing to know is that Spotify also offers a feature called Smart Shuffle on supported plans. When Smart Shuffle is available and enabled, Spotify not only randomizes your existing songs, it can also mix in recommended tracks that fit the style of your playlist. This can help you discover new music, but it also means you may hear songs that are not actually saved in your playlist, so do not be surprised if fresh tracks appear while you listen. You have now turned on Shuffle for your music on both mobile and desktop, and you know how to tell when it is active. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.